Hello everyone, this is Max. I am our Edgecore wireless line product manager. Today I will introduce our Max production products and the solution to you. For the Edgecore, we have the two different solutions. One is the enterprise controller based solution. The other is the Open Compute Project OCP Wi-Fi solution. Our target application is a large campus, hotel, shopping mall, hospital, and chain stores. For the wireless access controller, we have the two different types. One is the EWS 4606. This can support the 2000 access point. For the small one, 4502, can manage the 500 access point. All of them can support the clustering. 3+1 can do the redundancy design. For the controller base, we also add the location-based software inside. So when customers buy the controller base, then we will give them for the software can check the clients, and also we will provide a customized KPT portals to can have like the push advertisement promotion or any landing page customizations to attract customers' eyes. For the controller-based IndoorOutdoor Solution, now we have the main streams. One is the IndoorDo 11AC dual band Web 1 3x3 MIMO, and it can be installed like the ceiling and the wall mount. The other one is very robust outdoor design. It's still the Web 1 3x3 MIMO and can overcome the severe environment like the -40 to 60 and support the IP67, and it can be installed like the pole and the wall mount. And also for the Edgecore, we have the capability to design our smart antenna. We call it adaptive MIMO, AMIMO, and we design and also we add our software algorithm to give the clients a better signal and the coverage. So for the smart antenna, the key selling point is we can stop the hidden nodes and also increase the throughput and improvement, and also we will overcome the high interference on air to get better throughput. For the outdoor access point, ECWO 7220-L, we support 6 Army 8 dBi antenna inside, and it is very suitable for the hotspot applications, and we hide the whole antenna inside. And it is very robust design and support IP67 and provide the lightning protection is 6 kV, and also we passed the wind test 165 miles per hour. And if customer just not would like to manage more access controller on different sites, we also have our own network management system. We call it the ECView Pro. So via this the NMS unified system, you can manage every controller and can get the data from the access point. And also in Edgecore, we had a lot of serious PoE switch. So if customers would like to manage larger scale controllers on different sites, we can provide a whole solution to customers. And for the OCP Wi-Fi access point, I think for the open source, it is the chain now. So if customers has the capability for the software porting design capabilities, we can provide a Broadcom solution, 3x3 and 2x4 indoor-outdoor, and also the QCS solution indoor and outdoor. We support the open network install environment. We call this ONI. And the other one, we can support the open source, OpenWRT. So it will be easy for the customers. If you have the software design capability, you can add your more features on the top of ONI, so it will become your property and your products. Now we are talking about the case studies. For Edgecore, last year we got a big project from Turkey, The project name is Fatih, and the government just asked they will deploy like the 42K schools and the 4,070 classes. So for us, we got the second tender, and we deployed the 92K indoor access point and 4K wireless access controller with our network management system in Western Turkey. The application is like this: when the teachers just to use the smart board and to do the e-learning, so every student can get the data from the teachers from the e-learning classes by the iPad or any mobile device. So they need very robust roaming and multicasting because they will have like high quality video streaming. So in this year, we still will try to get the next bit, and our winning points is a unified system, distributed and central management, and we provide very high availability design and multicast, and it's the distributed architecture and the seamless roaming, and it's very robust quality of the service. And it's the topology. As you can see that every schools can have an independent internet. We provide a small controller and indoor access point powered by PoE switch. And every school, because the internet is independent, so no traffic will go through by the central side big controllers. So from a management point of view, they use the central side ECU Pro network system to manage every schools as a controllers. So they would like to keep the whole system healthy. So they ask, we provide a two-layer redundancy mechanism. For example, if the one of the schools, the controller is failed, then the data and the management will be transferred to central side, any one the big controllers. So if unfortunately, if this big controller still failed, it will be redundant to next big controllers. So we will keep the whole system healthy and stable and a very robust system for that. It's the whole solution for this the Turkish case. ECU Pro network system, and also access controller, big and small one, and the 3x3 MIMO indoor access point. And the other one is a very typical application. We provide solution to Indonesia, hotel, a serious application, controller, and with the PoE switch. And also provide the same solution to hospital, and we get the better signal compared to our competitors. So it's for the hospital applications. And also we use our location-based application on Shanghai, Xinyi is house application. You can use the location-based to do like the sign-on system. We can chase the clients where you are and provide a different information to this client. And also for our outdoor access point, we would like to prove our quality is good and we are capability to overcome the interference from the sea. So we provide a solution to the tourist to get the free Wi-Fi. So why Edgecore? Edgecore controller base is the distributed system, so the traffic and the system is very light, especially from the cost and the performance point of view. The other one is we also can provide a central control and for the network topologies. The other one is we provide a very high availability. As we mentioned, is a two-layer redundancy mechanism. We can keep the large scale system always stable and robust. Last one is easy mass deployment, because our controller-based solution, it would provide auto network provisioning, and it's a centralized configuration and management. Just one click, you can let the whole access point just get the upgrade in very short time. The other one, if you would like to manage more access point, you also can use the network management system to use one click to let the whole access controller to get the latest software support. So today it is my presentation about the Edgecore Wi-Fi solution. Thank you.